3. Welcome to my channel for experience sharing. Today 2022 August 21 Sunday, it's nice day. Let's begin. This morning I have illustrated about a blood pressure program here in which we have the all the criteria given in the internet, and we code them in Python in the if statement for the conditionals. That is traditional form, but there are a lot of other improvements over this traditional form. This form is a bit complicated with a lot of elif, a lot of branches. You can remove all the elif actually. You can do that. All the elif, remove them. And after returning, sorry, not remove. All the elif, change the elf. Then no more branching. Then the results all return. So, and here the else return, no else. We should have no elif, no else. So the statements like that say all of them individual branches mean if it's greater than that and so on, it fulfill that requirement, immediately return. This means it will never go down to the next line, isn't it? So there's no need of any elif. And here is return and the no elif, and here don't put any else, because if they all miss this kind of criteria, it must return it here. Okay, let's try see whether it works. Now, 158. 158 should be somewhere this line, so you must consult your doctor immediately, because both S and D is so great. Okay, so we'll try another one. 115. Okay, we can go down, but here no. This means again consult doctor. Well, always no. That is 171. Will be fulfilling this, and 68. Okay, that will be stage 2, because this line will not go down to here. No way, because it's greater than 140. No, yeah, unless it's less than 140, right? 141, again stage 2, stage 2. Wow, always stage 2? No. Yeah. Yes. Why? Okay, then if we cannot have this one, I make it a little bit with sample 100 and d equal to say 80. Result not defined. Oh yeah, I'm wrong. Yeah, that's right. So it's normal, and here it's 150. I make it a bit maybe 110, and here maybe 100. Stage 2, then I make it a little bit lower, 80 than normal. Really normal? 100, yeah, normal, 100, never 100. Unless it is a little bit higher, then it is not normal anymore. This work, okay, so in this case, it means that you can use this will be simpler with all the return no else statement, and return with the last choice. I was a little bit careless in the beginning, but now it's work. Okay, so there's one variation that don't use the traditional elif and else, but all with return. Okay, thank you, and I will show you the next way in the next video.